When the printer LED is white, it is either idle, asleep, or working. In this case, it is printing a document. When the printer LED is amber, it needs attention because an error has occurred. In this case, the cartridge access door is opened. When the printer LED is blue, it is showing the wireless network connection status. In this case, it is connected to the wireless network. When the printer LED is green, the printer is starting up, processing, or updating. When the printer LED is purple, the printer is in a wireless setup mode. When the printer LED is blinking blue and amber, it needs attention because the wireless network is not connected.